clouds there covering the skies. Look at that one's casting a shadow, watch. That one's even casting a shadow on the cloud underneath. There's loads of campers left though, there was loads along here yesterday. I thought I'll put my jumper on because it's a bit chilly. And then as soon as I've started walking, the sun's come back out. Stops blowing it really. But I would like to think there's not really any bins around here, which is a shame. I mean, I'm going to have to carry my rubbish with us. But the views around here though, absolutely beautiful. So much to see and do. It's a shame I'm not feeling any better, like, so I could have probably went somewhere else tonight and then tried somewhere else, but I think I'll just do that tomorrow. You know, I'm going to chill out. I keep saying I'm going to chill out, you know. But like, that's all I've done the past couple of days is just sit my head up my arse. That view though. And then it's spoiled by a big bloody factory there. I don't know what that factory is. Yeah, I think definitely I'll just stay here the night again. Probably just get up early and find somewhere else to venture off. I don't know why I've never been here before. Probably because I've been busy trying everywhere else. I am looking forward to getting better, you know, be able to do decent walks again and climb up the top of mountains, and because I miss that. Like the day when I went and tried up there earlier on, and I kind of felt a bit defeated on the way back down, because I got pretty high up, just not all the way to the top, and I'm not used to. I'm used to having limitations, obviously due to my wrist being artificial. But I'm always pushing myself, but with this, I kind of push myself. That's the problem, is I push myself a lot, and I've caused more problems than fixing them. So once I get to a certain point, I've just got to stop, take it easy. I'll get there soon. I'll be back at it properly. You know, probably, hopefully feeling better. I mean, after taking the medication for a week, I am starting to feel a little better, and because I'm eating differently now, and because I'm not pushing myself as much either. I think it's the hernia that's causing most of the pain. But just got to do what I can and live life where I can. It's all good, man. Well, getting up here, I have a feeling getting down is going to be a little bit trickier. because I had the dog pulling us up, which wasn't too bad, but she's going to want to pull us down, and it's pretty steep. Beautiful up here though, absolutely beautiful. Makes you realise how small we are and try to get back down. Brilliant, that. We just get back to the van. The farmer's whistled and done this little shouty thing, and all of a sudden the sheep just all gathered together and they've started heading over. That's class, that. So he's getting a dog to do the rounding up. Brilliant. So I'm gonna make some tea. Now, because like I say, I've got to eat certain things. One thing I have got to eat a lot of is pasta. So I'm going to boil some pasta and make it with some mushroom soup. It's cheap and it's very filling and tasty. And then try and get an early night, I think, because I don't feel well at all. Different ways you can test pasta. I find the only way to really find out if it's cooked properly is to check the inside. And that's done. Right, so now that it's drained, take that out. It's basically like, it is like I suppose a pasta and sauce really, pasta and soup. And the funny thing is, I've got a diary everything that I eat, so I've got to write it down in a diary so that the doctor can look through, and then I know, you know, so we know what flavours up the Crohn's and stuff like that. It's going to be funny trying to explain to the doctor why how this is a meal. If you haven't tried it, I would suggest you try it because it is delicious. Well, I'm feeling even more like shit. Obviously I polished my tea off and had the dog for another little walk just so she can do her business, because she doesn't really like doing her business around the van. So I've had her for just a little walk. And I feel like shit. So I'm going to have an early night. I'm going to stick some Vikings on and fall asleep while I watch some Vikings, I think. And I will see you guys in the morning. Good day, guys. Another nice bright sunny morning. That wind's a bit strong, mind. I have definitely caught a cold. Throat's all closed up. I feel like absolute crap. I managed to get a couple hours sleep, tossing and turning, head's pounding. I'm gonna finish my coffee off, take the dog for a little wander, so she can do her business and that, and I'm gonna travel off and see if I can find somewhere else to pull in, and probably just spend the day trying to get rid of this bloody headache. Beautiful place, so definitely be coming back here. Definitely. Just no bother at all from anything, anyone. Love it, man. Well, found a little spot here next to the reservoir. I tell you what, driving through the Peak District, man, what a beautiful, beautiful place. And it's, although it's a lot like the Lake District in parts, I found in the Lake District there's signs everywhere: no camping, no parking, no overnight staying and all this. There's none of that here at all. It's so van life friendly, I'd like to say. Thankfully the wind's died down a bit. I'm starting to feel a bit hungry now, so I don't know whether to make some breakfast and go for a walk. No, I'm going to go for a little walk first. She's dying to get out of the van. Go for a little walk, and then probably make some food. And enjoy some of this sunshine. Beautiful day, the day again. You hear the birds singing.
One last ticket before it's gone. One last summer before it's fall. Tune your strings and play your cards. Little words hit me like a game of darts. And you're beating on my drum. And you're beating on my door. Running faster than to breathe. One last lie before the truth. One last fight before I lose. I ask myself, where should I go? Did I do enough to feed my soul? And you're beating on my drum. And you're beating on my door. Running faster than my dreams. And I can't stop to breathe. And you're beating on my drum. And you're beating on my door. Running faster than my dreams. And I can't stop to breathe.
My new friend. Sitting here sunbathing. You stay there. I'm watching the dog because the dog's watching it. Hello. I'm watching. Beautiful day, just getting sat here doing out. Trying to put my head up my arse. I am going to apologise though for the video this week because I haven't got a clue how it's going to turn out. It's not the same video on my own. And when I've got the dog, it's a hard thing to do because she keeps pulling us one way while I'm trying to record something else. She's pulling us this way, but I'm sure I'll manage to make something up of it. I think I'll leave this here and indulging in the sunshine. Please guys, if you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, hit the bell, get notified when there's a video up. Really help us out a lot. And I'll see you next time. Much love to you all guys.